Artificial intelligence is getting smarter every day. From writing scripts to composing music and even creating art, AI is challenging human creativity like never before. But can AI truly replace human imagination? Let's find out. AI is rapidly advancing in creative fields. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are reshaping content creation. The big question: can AI replicate true human imagination? AI can now generate entire novels, compose symphonies, and even create hyper-realistic paintings in seconds. Tools like Midjourney, ChatGPT, and Deep Dream are revolutionizing creativity. But does AI understand emotions and originality, or is it just remixing existing patterns? AI can create impressive outputs: novels, art, deepfakes. It works at lightning speed with surprising quality. But is it truly creative, or just combining patterns? Unlike AI, human creativity comes from experiences, emotions, and personal storytelling. A human artist creates not just visuals, but emotions that resonate with an audience. Could AI ever truly replace that? Human creativity is driven by emotion, memory, and personal story. Artists bring a soul to their work. AI can't replicate emotions and real-world context matter in art. Instead of replacing human creativity, AI is becoming a tool for creators. Musicians use AI to refine compositions. Artists use AI to enhance their work. And writers use AI for brainstorming ideas. Maybe the future isn't about AI versus humans, but rather AI empowering human creativity. AI enhances human creativity, doesn't replace it. Artists use AI for inspiration and refinement. AI plus human equals new creative possibilities. So, is AI a threat to creativity or a powerful assistant? The future of creativity is collaboration. AI empowers creators with speed and variety. True storytelling still belongs to humans. Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.